we're going to start this section on adding and subtracting algebraic fractions by looking at some numerical examples. So we're going to simplify the following fractions. We have 1/3 plus 2/5. The lowest common multiple for 3 and 5 is 15. So we're going to express both of our fractions as fractions over 15. 3 times 5 is 15. So 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we have the same denominator, so we can just add, getting 11/15. Now consider 1/4 plus 3/8. The lowest common multiple for 4 and 8 is 8. So we need to express both of our fractions as fractions over 8. 4 times 2 is 8, 1 times 2 is 2. And 3/8 will of course stay as 3/8. So we have 2/8 plus 3/8, which is 5/8.